So tonight is 90s, or well, not even 90s, early 2000s teen bop jams, and then I'm just telling, this is a new episode of Stuff Matt Does, or Matt Does Stuff. Which one is it?
Matt, I don't know.
I think it's Matt Does Stuff. Anyway, this is what we did tonight. Took down the popcorn ceilings of our bedroom, and I didn't film that because you already saw what it looked like before. I don't need to show you again. Basically, you just spray it with water and then you scrape it and it comes off. I mean, I'll film the kitchen if you want to. I mean, if you really need to see again. Anyway, that's all we have left.